What's good YouTube, it's your boy YUNGNOSS and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, no squad, so I'm gonna be doing a snow POV drive. You guys know lately, I don't know, I'm becoming to start doing this POV drive of it. So this outside, let me show you guys. If you can take a look, outside is so messed up. The snow is really bad. I was just chilling inside, editing some video. I was like, fuck it, let me do another POV drive. Since the last one I did was not really, I didn't really finish it, my camera died. So now I'm gonna do a full snow POV drive for you guys. Brittany want to come, but she's having a test now. She's going to school for nursing, so, and it's good if she come. I really want her to come because just in case I get stuck in the snow and shit like that, she's my co-pilot. I would know I need somebody to assist me. But anyways, without further ado, this is my outfit. No squad, not too much, nothing just strong. Man, I fucking need a winter boot, but this is good too. So without further ado, finish dressing. I just need to put on my jacket and I'll go outside. This is my car, no squad. Just see. So in Nigeria we call these wipers. So I put it up so you don't get, because if you don't get frozen, because sometimes the snow make it bad. So now my car is all messed up. What the fuck, man? It's bad outside. I can't even open my. Fuck no squad. So I'm not even done yet. It's too cold outside. It's like minus 20 degrees. My hand is freezing. Well, oh man. See, this is what I gotta pass through to do this snow POV vlog, man. But I gotta get this video done, man. I just finished clearing out all the snow from the car. See, everything is good now. All the snow out, we good. No trucks right now. Let me take you guys to my gym, where I used to gym. Let's drive to my gym, then we'll drive to the bank. Wait. That guy's putting on his double blinkers. That's how bad. Oh. Yeah, that's how bad it is, so nobody can pass him. Oh, he moved. Let me test the brake. Woo. The brake is bad. I was sliding in the brake. But if you guys made this fast, make sure you smash that subscribe button, you know. I'm about to make these bangers, these videos, keep these videos coming. You guys fuck with my POV vlog. I'm gonna be giving you guys a little POV vlog, you know. I'll be fucking with POV vlog. This is it. Go, my nigga. Go, bro. Go. Slow ass guy. Let me pass this. Let me pass it. That's all-wheel drive guy. Ooh. 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 They'll be probably surprised, why is this guy driving so fast? Anyways, I know what I'm doing in North Coast, so don't do this. You know, when it's snowy, don't drive really too fast. You know, don't do that. I just know how it goes. You know, like when to hold my brake and when not to hold my brake and all. That's the heap of the snow over there. See how wet Canada is, man. It's all wet everywhere. Yeah, it's driving sluggish. Everybody's driving slow. Let's go. Pass this nigga, pass this guy, pass that guy, man. Ooh. That's my old gym. Hope I don't get stuck in this place. Fucking eyes, snow is deep, oh. It's really deep. I can feel it. I can feel it. Let me take a thumbnail. Let me go outside for you guys to know and see how the car is doing. Oh! With a thumbnail. My car is covered, see? Front is covered. Let me take off this stupid chunk of snow that's making me not to see. This is not. Anyways, no square, you can see that's my car. That's a heap of snow. This is a heap of snow. It's cold as fuck. Let me go into my car, man. Ah! Snow everywhere. That's the stop sign right there. I started my brake from here. If you wait to get to the stop sign so you hold your brake, then you gotta go kiss someone's car, and you don't want that. So you want to hold your brake. There's so many cars coming from that side, man. Good. Clear turning. The back of the car, guys. It's covered with snow. Really? In this cold weather, what's she doing? In the fucking cold, man. Begging. What's she doing in the cold? Shit, oh man. Man, people are passing through a lot, man. That's why I gotta appreciate. Sometimes in life, you just gotta appreciate where you are in life, man. People are passing through a lot. So that lady just begging in the cold, minus something degree, and it's snowing. Man, you just gotta appreciate where you are in life sometimes. Scotia Bank. That's my bank. Oh, the driveway. I'm going through the drive-thru. I want to put some money in my account. Okay. Wait, don't tell me. Say deposit are unable to be made through this. What the are unable to be made at this machine, man. You got me all fucked up, man. Oh man, if I have something I would have given to this lady. I don't have anything. Oh man. I feel sorry for that lady. I didn't have anything. I would have given it to her. Hope this trailer know what it's doing. The father is coming. Hope you know what you're doing, nigga. That's a snow plow. These are the niggas, man. All the cars are following him on the back. If you're new to my channel, you like my content, you like my videos, be part of the family by smashing the subscribe button. Then when you smash the subscribe button, there's a small bell down there. Just click on the bell. You can be notified when I post a new banger like this, a new video. Where those of you that have been supporting me from day one, the North Squad, the real North Squad, so I want to say thank you all for all the love and support. Smash the subscribe button. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Some of you that are wondering, oh, I want to start up a YouTube channel. What I would say, like my advice, I'm not the biggest YouTuber, but very soon I'm going to be the biggest. Fuck anything anybody says and pick up a camera and start recording yourself. Record what the fuck you want and upload it on YouTube. Keep doing that. Don't stop. You will grow, North Squad. You will grow. Like, on that journey, you will find your niche. Even though you don't know the kind of content you want to be making, pick up the camera and just start recording. You will find somebody that you're going to find your viewers. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to give up on your dreams, man. Anything you chase in North Squad, anything you want, just start that shit and keep going. It's not. Oh, I thought that was Britney. It's not Britney's sister. Not like Britney's sister. Whoa. People carry shit too much in Canada, man. They like carrying things, man. We just like carrying things. Oh, this is not started again, big time. Wait, brother, don't come yet. Let me go. It's weird, everybody's just looking on me, man. Everybody's just looking at me in our school. They say, well, is this guy alright? Ah. Is this nigga alright? That's what they're thinking. Is this nigga alright? And it's gonna, like, North Squad, the snow is gonna be like this all day, all nights too. It's like 4:30 p.m. like where I am now in Barrie, Ontario. 4:30 p.m. It's snow life. See how can you see? You can't even see the. It's crazy, you know. It's crazy how those snow plow truck, like when you see them coming, like when you pass them, you see a bunch of thousands of cars behind them. Like when they are coming, you won't know there are cars behind them until they pass. You see all the fucking cars behind them, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. That truck is going too fast, man. That's why you need a truck. It's like a king of the road, man. That's one thing about the truck guys in this Canada, man. They feel, I don't know, they're king of the road because they feel they have driving ability more than any of us. But see, that's a front wheel guy. Once you know a front wheel driver, he put his blinker on. He said, nobody pass me. Help, help. This way it's like driving in Canada North Squad. I'm almost home. This is what it's like. See, these guys, don't pass me. Danger. That's why I put on this double blinker, man. Danger. I'm about to wrap up the video. That guy's walking. So no squad, that's it for the POV drive. If you're new to my channel, you love my content, you want to join the family, smash that subscribe button. When you smash the subscribe button, there's always a bell. Click on that bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. So without further ado, this is a wrap. I'm going to edit this video. I'll upload it for you guys to watch. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
A few moments later.
So when I did the POV video today, so I forgot this water in my car. So I was editing. I was like, oh, let me just go get something to eat. It's night now. You can see it's night time now. Came into my car and I saw this. Yeah, the water is frozen. See, ice water. It's frozen. Canada life, man. See? Frozen water. The water is not green, no. It's just the can. The can is green. This is the life we live in Canada. Man, let's worry about the green.
Hold you, let me alone. Bitch, watch your tongue. Glock splattered the chromosomes. If it's smoke, then we bring out the bone. Can't shit turn me out when I'm on. I'm charged up like a Tesla, huh?